You know, it is very refreshing to see how Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi responded after the EFF leadership kept on speaking ill about him in his absence, especially the EFF leader, Julius Malema. It is a breath of fresh air to see how Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is handling this whole situation. He is handling it like a proper scientific politician, and he is showing a level of maturity that the members of the EFF should be taking a page from, instead of them continuously following the lead of Julius Malema and being insultive. Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlovu has obviously taken a leaf from Nxamalala's book. Brilliant.